Look at that. My bitter lips tree today come. Previous one was die. You know that, guys. If you see my video always, then you can know. So this little bitter lips come today. I'm putting here. So this one come. Guess what? That one is so tiny, guys. Coffee plant, guys. Soft. Lips are soft, I think. Yeah. They look very great. Lots of plant together. Really, look at that. This coffee plant. I got plant before it's die because I put outside. I feel now I have to buy the tea tea plant. And tea. This is it. Just look at that. Very costly plant I buy, and it is finished. I think so. It look like finish. Yes, guys. This was okay, but when I don't know. It is okay in the winter, but summertime coming like March, he going down. Never mind, guys. Exotic fruits always risky. Anyway, this is my jackfruit. Look at that. It also was winter time good. Maybe they was sleeping, so they don't feel anything. So when wake up, they are not happy. So they go like this. My upstairs here have lots of jackfruit. They are okay, guys. Anyway, never mind, guys. Look at that, my prickly pear is growing nice, doing nice. This is silver berry, guys. Look at that, with berry, small berries, silver berry. My banana main plant, I don't know, maybe gone. But little babies are okay, you see. So, this is UK, so cold. I didn't have heater, so I lost lots of money really because of heating system wasn't work. My plant and other thing also. So San Petro, guys, it is medicinal plant. You know that like ashwagandha. I buy ashwagandha. It is die, guys. I don't know it's come back or not anywhere. Uh, so bitter lips. It is have also medicinal plant. Bengali called pan. You know pan. You can eat raw as a salad also. Some people say they cook. I don't know. Maybe it's okay cook. So today is this kind of situation at the moment in my garden. This is I'm trying to grow chayate. Look at that chayate, little chayate here. I don't know if you can see or not. Uh, Trying to grow chayate here, little tiny, and look at the jamun is perfect. I love it, guys. Anyway, this mango also, look at that. I make them separate. There was like a going to die, so I make them separate and put in there. And some are going, maybe some will be okay. I don't know really, guys. Still, this little baby blueberry plant coming. Summer, maybe they will show their color. Means they will grow. Hmm. This is today at the moment, you see, guys. So a little bit excited about today's bitter lips and coffee plant come. This is very tiny, guys. It's funny look, coffee plant. Oh, outside is raining, guys. Bad weather. People living, people house, you see. Very small houses in UK, really. It's so funny. Yeah, if you have money, you can buy big house. It's okay. I'm just trying to grow my business to buy my house. Bigger one, of course, not like this. This is people say very big house, but I say no, because I want more bigger house, guys. But always make me happy now. You see, guys. Hmm. So my bitter lips. You see, guys. Pray for my bitter lips, guys. I love to grow bitter lips. Last one died. 2 years was with me, then died. Maybe wasn't heat other way, this way. I don't know really. Mm, so let me see. If there's this one a little bit bigger, I will try to make another one. Let me see what happened, guys. Coffee plant. I'll make separate later. At the moment together, guys. That's the plant together. You see, it's funny. So, guys, and silverberry. Look at that, guys. Silverberry. Because there is red and it's still little silver there. These are people called silverberry. So this is our UK growing, guys. It's very hard. Unless if heating, lighting is fixed, then okay, little bit go. Then people affected and plant also affected. This is my sugar cane. Look at that, guys. I don't know it's coming or not. There was root I put in the soil. Now I don't know what will happen. I try another sugar cane. This black sugar cane wasn't very sweet, and that one is sweet really. Look at that sugar cane. Another one I put in the water with aloe vera to make root. This banana, people say sometimes make root. I'm trying, guys. Let me see. Banana make root means drafted plant. It's just for checking, nothing else, guys. Research. It is research how to make plant from the fruits. YouTube show lots of things like this, but maybe possible, maybe not. I'm trying. So you see, jackfruit are dry, die at all. You know, upstate sometimes jackfruit is work because upstate is less cold, but ground floor is too much cold. Maybe another sandpaper, two sandpapers, guys. Another sandpaper. It's quite big. Aloe vera and prickly pear. And prickly doing as well, very good. Prickly, sun patrol and aloe vera, they're doing very good. And my dragon fruit, I don't know what happening. This is too big, so I just put far from window, near to the wall. I don't know how much will work. Maybe they need more light. So how much tree you can put in the near to the light. So let me see what happened, guys. So indoor growing, happy indoor growing, guys. Especially aloe vera, you definitely should put because this is medicine and cosmetics, like, and you can eat, guys. And it is natural hormone for the plant. So if you want to grow a new plant, is this also work? So bye bye, guys. Look at that, my bitter lips. Good luck for my bitter lips. And coffee plant come today. Maybe mango tree dying, so I replace another two plant. So bye bye. Peace up, guys.